In this video, we will show you how to start and abort jobs with your E4. You control the machine mainly with Dental CNC. We'll give you a brief overview, but for further details you can find a link to the relevant help article in the Dental CNC manual in the video description. Before executing the job, ensure the following. Firstly, you created a job on your CAM computer. It has been transferred to Dental CNC. Secondly, all required tools are in the right positions in the tool magazine and are neither worn nor damaged. They have also been added to the virtual tool magazine in Dental CNC. Thirdly, the required block is mounted. Fourthly, for dry machining, the optional dry tank is inserted into the machine and the suction hose is connected to the machine. For wet machining, the cooling liquid tank is inserted into the machine and sufficient cooling liquid is in the tank. Close the working chamber door. Notice: dry machining requires air extraction. If you manually control the suction device, switch it on and set it to the required level. Start the job with the Start button. Alternatively, start the job via Dental CNC. If air extraction is required and the machine controls the suction unit gets switched on. Wet or dry machining starts. To pause the job, press the Start button. Alternatively, pause the job via Dental CNC. You can open the working chamber door to inspect the block. However, leave the block in the blank holder because otherwise the machine won't be able to properly continue machining. To continue machining, close the working chamber door. Cancel the message in Dental CNC. Machining continues. To abort machining, select the depicted icon in Dental CNC. Confirm the message. Machining stops. Dental CNC asks whether the tool in the spindle can be inserted safely into the tool magazine. If inserting the tool would damage the tool magazine inserts, the tool must be removed manually. To have the machine insert the tool into the tool magazine, select the right icon. To remove the tool manually, select the left icon. Then open the working chamber door. Hold the tool in the collet chuck in place. Confirm the new message in Dental CNC. The collet chuck opens. Remove the tool from the collet chuck. Close the working chamber door. Confirm the message in Dental CNC. The collet chuck closes. The spindle moves to the default position. In this video series, we have now covered the complete processing workflow for the E4. In the next videos, we'll show you how you can perform important maintenance tasks and repairs yourself. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E4. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.